This video will demonstrate the workflow for a full denture set based on the scanning of impressions. Starting on the patient's page, create the patient. Then select New Case. Select a lab. The order form will appear. Click on the removable drop-down list to select full denture. Now click on any tooth on the chosen jaw to apply your selection. Now do the same for the opposite jaw. Finally, set the delivery date by clicking the Delivery Date button. Proceed to the scan page and select the preferred scanning option from the pop-out. In our case, we select Impression. The other options are Intraoral Scan and Copy Denture. If needed, the option can be reselected again before scanning. Just click on one of the scanning option icons. Start the scanner. AI scan should be disabled for this type of scanning. The best scanning strategy for a lower jaw impression is to start at the retromolar area on one side and scanning along the ridge towards the retromolar area on the other side. Once that is completed, proceed with the marginal areas of the impression. When scanning is complete, you can inspect the result on both sides and prepare the scan by trimming unnecessary parts. If an important area is missing, simply start scanning that area again. Now proceed to the upper jaw. A pop-up gives you the possibility to select the preferred scanning option. In our case, we select Impression. However, other options can be selected instead, since the scan type can be cross-combined from upper to lower. The best scanning strategy for the upper impression is to start at the tuberosity area on one side and scan along towards the tuberosity area of the opposing side. Then the scanning of the palate should be completed, starting from the middle line area, going towards the soft palate, scanning from one side to the other. Once that is completed, proceed with the marginal areas of the impression, making sure that the undercuts created by the residual ridge are scanned. When scanning is complete, you can inspect the result on both sides and prepare the scan by trimming away any unnecessary parts. If an important area is missing, simply start scanning the area again. Now move to the Bite Scan page. The pop-up on the screen gives you scanning tips on how to perform it. Scan both sides of the bite tray. When scanning is finished, use the 3-point alignment to align the upper and lower jaw impression scans to the bite tray. Start by placing corresponding points on the upper jaw impression scan and the upper jaw side of the bite tray. When aligned, perform the same for the lower jaw impression scan. When the alignment is done, you have the possibility to realign if necessary. Otherwise, proceed and send the case to the chosen lab. Thank you for watching.